Look at the capitalists and the proletariat. So in capitalist system of economy, commodities are produced, they are owned, valued, sold, and exchanged. So in a way, everything is a commodity. Even the labor, which is a part of the human being, that is also an object. That's also a saleable kind of commodity through though human potential, yet bought and owned by the capitalist. तो हमारे लेबरर्स के पास भी कुछ नहीं बचता, वो भी एक तरह से एक कमोडिटी की हैसियत एक कैपिटलिस्ट के सामने नज़र आती है. So commodities or objects have exchange value. So ये जितनी चीज़ें हैं हर एक की एक एक्सचेंज वैल्यू है, उसकी कोई प्राइस लग सकती है, प्राइस टैग उसके साथ आप लगा सकते हैं. So in the whole system, commodity is central. So produces two categories of people in capitalism. जिसकी बात पहले भी हुई है कि एक उस किस्म के लोग हैं जिनको प्रोलिटेरिएट कहा है. इसको एक हमने एक सोशल क्लास की बात की है, जिनको हमने हैव नॉट्स की बात भी की है. सो वर्कर्स आर द प्रोलिटेरिएट. सो दे do not own their own tools or the factories. Proletarians would eventually lose their own skills as they increasingly service machines. उनकी अपनी skills ख़त्म हो जाती हैं क्योंकि they are to work with the machines. Machines are created by somebody else, so they lose their own natural kind of skills. So they work there as एक मशीन का जैसे पुर्जा नहीं होता, इस तरह से वो उनको काम करना पड़ता है. So proletariat produces only for exchange. They are also consumers. तो जो वो प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं वो उन्होंने अगर इस्तेमाल करना है तो उनको ख़रीदना पड़ेगा इन एक्सचेंज फॉर मनी. सो यहाँ दो क्लासेस की जो बात पहले भी हुई थी, प्रोलिटेरिएट एंड बोर्जवाजी. तो प्रोलिटेरिएट इज़ ए क्लास. प्रोलिटेरियन जो है वो एक वर्कर है. सो लेट्स नॉट मिक्स अप द प्रोलिटेरिएट एंड proletarian. So that is how we move. So proletarians must use their wages to buy what they need. So they have to exchange their earnings for whatever they want to consume or whatever they want to get. So proletarians are completely dependent on their earnings, on their wages for their survival. So proletariat जो है, it becomes dependent on those who pay the wages. और wages कौन दे रहे हैं? Owners of the means of production, that's the capitalists. So they are the other class. So the capital is money that is invested to produce more money. Now that's the system. So capital is money that is invested to produce more money. So in this way we see the circulation of commodities. So two kinds of circulation of commodities की उसने बात की है कि मनी से आप कमोडिटीज़ लेते हैं इसलिए कि और मनी क्रिएट किया जाए. सो फ्रॉम मनी टू कमोडिटीज़ एंड देन टू अर्न ए लार्जर सम ऑफ मनी. सो देन इफ वी आर लुकिंग इनटू कमोडिटीज़, सो कमोडिटीज़ से पैसा बनाया, उससे और कमोडिटीज़ हुई. तो ये एक सर्कुलेशन टाइप चलती circular kind of चीज़ है. So type 1 is characteristic of the capital. So in a capitalist circulation of commodities, the primary goal is to produce capital, to produce more money. So commodities are purchased in order to generate profit, create more profit. These are not created for the consumption. Consumption not by the producer, consumption maybe by others. So others are going to get these commodities by paying its price. So these have to be exchanged. So buying in order to sell. So that is what we have. So capital is not simply the money that produces more money. It also produces a particular type of social relations between the capitalist and the proletariat. And these relations are uh, exploitative kind of relations. These relations are between those who are powerful and the powerless. And wherever there are powerful people, they usually exploit the powerless.